Matcha ice cream with miso caramel and sesame brittle. Serves 4. Ready in 25 minutes. A Japanese-style sundae with deep caramel flavor and crunchy sesame. Here are the ingredients. 1 pint of matcha ice cream. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons of water. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1 tablespoon of white miso paste. 1/4 cup of toasted white sesame seeds. 2 pinches of flaky sea salt. 1 teaspoon of neutral oil for greasing. Line a small baking sheet with parchment paper and lightly grease it with 1 teaspoon of neutral oil. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Cook over medium heat without stirring. Swirl the pan occasionally until the syrup turns a deep amber, about 6 to 8 minutes. Turn off the heat. Carefully whisk in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then slowly pour in 1/2 cup of heavy cream while whisking. It will bubble vigorously, so keep whisking until the sauce is smooth, about 1 minute. Whisk in 1 tablespoon of white miso until fully dissolved. Keep it over low heat for 30 to 60 seconds to make a glossy sauce. Pour about 1/3 cup of the miso caramel into a heat-proof cup to reserve for drizzling later. Keep the rest in the pan. Bring the caramel in the pan to a gentle simmer over low heat. Stir in 1/4 cup of toasted white sesame seeds and cook for 1 minute to coat them evenly. Immediately pour the sesame caramel onto the prepared tray. Spread it thin and even with a spatula, then sprinkle 1 pinch of flaky sea salt. Let the brittle cool until firm, about 10 minutes, then break it into large shards. Set the matcha ice cream at room temperature for 3 to 5 minutes to soften for easy scooping. Warm the reserved miso caramel over low heat until pourable, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Scoop the softened matcha ice cream into 4 bowls, 1 to 2 scoops per bowl. Drizzle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm miso caramel over each serving. Tuck sesame brittle shards around the scoops for crunch and height. Finish with a tiny extra pinch of flaky sea salt on top. Serve immediately while the caramel is glossy and the brittle is crunchy. That completes the recipe. If you enjoyed this Japanese miso caramel matcha sundae, please like the video, subscribe for more recipes, and tap the bell to never miss a new one.